Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Times of Ummah. Today's first news update is coming from Indonesia, where at least 44 people have been killed and flash slides swept an Iceland in Indonesia. Torrential rain brought death when people wake up to celebrate Sunday's Easter. Dear viewers, many roads and bridges in the eastern end of the Iceland were destroyed. According to sources, there are 44 people dead with 9 injured. Many are still missing and could be under the mud. Dear viewers, here I also tell you that in January flash floods hit the Indonesian town of Sumedang in West Java that killed 40 people. But the most dangerous news is from the country's disaster agency, which has estimated that 125 million Indonesians, approximately half of the country's population, lives in areas at risk of landslides. Today's second news update is coming from Myanmar military coup, where deaths from Myanmar anti-coup protests surpassed 550 since first February military coup, and 46 are children that have been killed by military. The arrested people right now are 2,751 and hundreds have been wounded. Despite harsh violence from military, people have continued their protests despite killing, arresting and large number of injuries. Al Jazeera reporter said the protesters are still very determined to get out. In some places, they are going out on motorbikes to disperse quickly, trying to give themselves an easy exit when the security services come after them. It added they are definitely not stopping their protests. Dear viewers, that are the current situation in Myanmar. If you want further updates, please subscribe to Times of Ummah. Today's third news update is coming from Iran, where Iran facing fourth major wave of coronavirus infections shortly after millions traveled during the Persian New Year holidays. 2 provinces out of 32 have been confirmed by the country's health minister to facing a fourth wave of coronavirus. President Hassan Rouhani said, "If you don't have necessary consideration, we might face this wave in other provinces as well. So we need to be careful." Dear viewers, Iran has reported more than 1.9 million coronavirus cases since it announced its burst in February last year. Nearly about 63,000 people have been dead, what is the worst COVID-19 death toll in the region. Dear viewers, Iran is unable to import coronavirus vaccine because Iran faces sanctions from the United States. Therefore, Iran, with population of 80 million, has administered only about 161,000 doses of coronavirus vaccine. Dear viewers, if you want top news of each day, please subscribe Times of Ummah.